doing here. Maybe. How we reconstruct these old cars. 101 degrees. So it's a perfect day for welding. Right here, this steel here because put this in because I need to form the seam mounting first. So get it in here, and then if there's something else that doesn't look right, this is stable with you always have to have a starting place. Give a starting place in the structure. Weld this down. All right, I got that structure right there locked in that I was working on. And when I got it locked in, I come to the situation to where I can remove a little more structure. Start building. No, a lot of times if you just cut it all out, you really don't have any format or anything to go through. But I mean, there is definitely a need to cut it out. But you have to build it and remove it and build it and remove it, or you will lose the total structure of the vehicle. I've cut a plate for this. Put it right here. It's got a bend in it right here. So I beveled it and I cut it and I brought it down, and I'm going to tie it into what I put in here. And I'm going to, like I had said one time before, the way the factory puts them together, as you can see here in this plate, they would put it together in spot welds, which I consider as the bolts of structure. So what we're doing also the same thing, is we're putting it together with these spot welds as the bolt of structure. Now we'll seam seal everything, and we'll put some weld through primer under there. But I'll also catch this structure right here at the bottom of it. And this, we'll tack this in, as we've got 22 gauge here. It's gonna give it some strength. Pull it down like that, and I'll put this in, and when I put my floor pan in, I'll also lay my floor pan on here. It's going to give me enough to do my drill holes, to put my bolts in it, as I said, to keep your structure and strength. You want to go back, you want it to be, you don't want overkill, but you do want it to be as strong or stronger than the existing situations. So a lot of times we'll see an old car and we think, man, that thing's been kept up, that thing's been taken care of. Well, that thing may have been rebuilt, but if it was rebuilt right, it'll work. We want to make sure we've got it rebuilt right. We want to make sure we've got as strong or stronger, as close as possible to pre-existing conditions. To some it's exciting, to some it's boring. Hey, why don't you give me a like, or let me know what you think about what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong. I appreciate it.